Luminous ConnectX. Monitor your solar and inverter system from your phone. Search for Luminous ConnectX on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and tap Install. Requires Android 11 or above on Android devices and iOS 17 or above on iPhones. Sign in with Google or your email. First-time users tap Sign Up and fill in name, email, mobile and password. Grant the required permissions once. Location access is needed to create a plant. Camera access is needed to scan QR codes. For plant creation, Wi-Fi needs to be turned on. After signing in, tap Add Plant to connect your inverter. Enter the inverter serial number, type it manually or tap the scan icon to use your camera on the QR code or barcode. Tap Submit. Do the same for the data logger serial number. It's on the device sticker. ConnectX supports the new Gen 3 SyncX Wi-Fi data logger for the best experience. For Wi-Fi loggers, the app connects to the device automatically. No need to turn off mobile data. Then choose your home network and you're connected. Important, your router must be on the 2.4 GHz band. In cases where Wi-Fi is not available, users can use the mobile hotspot of another device. On Android, go to Settings, search Hotspot, tap on Hotspot Settings, then enable Personal Hotspot. In the hotspot settings, ensure the AP band is set to 2.4 GHz. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot, turn on Allow others to join, enable Maximum Compatibility. This configures the hotspot to use the 2.4 GHz frequency. Once the mobile hotspot on the other device is enabled, it will appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your hotspot network, enter the password if prompted, and you will be connected. The Overview tab shows a live energy flow diagram, solar generation, home consumption, battery status, and grid voltage all in real time. Below it, Solar Summary shows today's and lifetime generation. For non-solar users, the dashboard shows grid status, home load, and how long your battery backup will last. Tap the diagram to open device details, plant info, inverter specs, battery configuration, and solar panel details. You can edit these and upload purchase bills and photos here. The Trends section shows historical solar generation, home consumption, and power cuts by day, month, year, or a custom range. See your monthly electricity savings, return on investment, and the environmental impact of your system, trees saved, CO2 reduced, coal not burned. From the Overview screen, tap the energy diagram to open device details, then tap Download Report. The app generates a CSV report with daily solar generation, home consumption, and savings and sends it directly to your registered email, ready to open in Excel. System integrators are the professionals who install and maintain solar systems. ConnectX gives them a dedicated dashboard to manage all customer plans from one login, and they can also create new plans on behalf of their customers directly from the dashboard. For on-grid systems, ConnectX supports string level monitoring, track individual string performance for inverters rated 25 kW and below, with support for all ratings coming soon. ConnectX gives you personalized energy insights every day. Luminous ConnectX. Monitor, analyze, and save. Download free from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store.